Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Katie of Katie and Ellie, The Freedom Lifestyle. Today, we're starting a brand new series on digital and affiliate marketing, which will be part of our playlist to be called the Passive Income Playbook. We will be uploading every Wednesday, so make sure to subscribe and tune in weekly if you want to learn how to build your passive income streams that work for you 24/7. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? At its core, it's a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their website. Essentially, you promote someone else's product or service and you earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your efforts. There are three main players in affiliate marketing. First, the merchant, the business or individual selling the product or service. Second, the affiliate, that's you, the marketer promoting the merchant's product or service. Third, the consumer, the person who buys the product or service through your affiliate links. Here's a simple diagram to show the relationship between the merchant, the affiliate, and the consumer. The merchant creates the product, the affiliate promotes it, and the consumer buys it. In return, the merchant pays the affiliate a commission for each sale. Now let's talk about how affiliate marketing works in practice. The process typically involves these steps. Choosing a niche. As an affiliate, you need to pick a niche that you're passionate about and has profitable potential. Joining affiliate programs. You need to find and join affiliate programs related to your niche. These programs provide unique affiliate links that track the traffic or sales you generate. Promoting products. Once you have your affiliate links, start promoting products through blogs, social media, YouTube, and email marketing. Earning commissions. When a consumer clicks on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The rates vary depending on the program and product. Here's an example of an affiliate link. It's a unique URL with your affiliate ID, so sales generated through this link are credited to you. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, but here are a few of the most popular ones. Amazon Associates. You can promote almost any product on Amazon and earn a commission. ClickBank, a great platform for digital products like ebooks and courses with commissions that can go up to 75%. Commission Junction. This network connects you with big brands and products across various industries. Share a Sale. Another large network with a wide range of products to promote. Since we're from the Philippines, we also use platforms like Lazada and Shopee. They work similarly to Amazon, allowing you to promote a variety of products and earn a commission. Plus, they're available across Southeast Asia, so they have a broad reach in the region. Klook, on the other hand, is in the travel niche. I love using it because I run an online travel agency that services clients internationally. Klook lets you promote travel-related services like tours, hotels, and attractions, which is a perfect fit for travel enthusiasts like us. Now let's talk about maximizing your earnings in affiliate marketing. There's a big difference between high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate marketing. With low-ticket affiliate marketing, you promote products with lower price points like Amazon, Lazada, or Shopee. The commissions are small but can add up if you generate a high volume of sales. High-ticket affiliate marketing, however, involves promoting products or services with a higher price point like digital courses, software, or premium services. Although you may not make as many sales, each sale earns you a much larger commission. It's an ideal way to generate significant income without needing as many customers. For example, many of the digital products we promote, such as courses and software, can earn commissions ranging from $500 to $1,000 or more per sale. Now, if you're ready to discover how to earn $1,000 in daily profits and build a passive recurring income even while you sleep using our simple 3-step system for beginners, check out the link in the description below and we'll send you our free training. Plus, when you join our program and become part of our amazing community, you'll receive free 1-year mentorship from 7-figure marketers as a special bonus. But act fast. This offer is available for a limited time only. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and join me next week as we explore how to generate leads for a personal training business. See you then!